Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on the Mobile Legends game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mobile Legends game on your device, and once it is fully loaded, you will end up on the main menu. From this page, tap on your account icon at the top left corner and you will be taken into your account page. Tap on account and now you will see various different account settings. Go ahead and click on Account Center at the bottom right, and now you will see the option to change your email address. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be allowed to enter your preferred new email address, and you will be asked to enter the verification code that is sent to your current email address. Go ahead and check your inbox and you will find the verification code. Just type in this verification code within this box and then tap on the confirm button. You will then be allowed to enter the new preferred email address. After typing in your preferred new email address, tap on the next button once again and you will be asked to check your inbox to tap on the activate link. So check your inbox within the new email address once again, and as soon as you tap on the activation link within your inbox, your email address will be changed on your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on the Mobile Legends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.